What's up guys, John Howell here, hope you're doing well. Just leaving the house now so I can go get a gym workout in. Just finished my trading and I thought I'd share some things with you about the trip to successful trading career. One thing that's really important to understand is we have all heard it before, but it really is the key to successful trading. It is the foundation to your success. Your ability to cut your losses short and let your wins run. And I'll give you an example. I remember a while ago, if you set up your trading the right way, you can do really well. You could do really well. The thing is, guys, so I'll give you an example. A while ago, and I'll give you a story what's happened just recently with me. A while ago, I was trading, and I was trading, I was trading in the money options and so on and so forth, and so I had like a 5% loss, and I was looking at my trades, and I took one trade, and I was quick to get out. And this is the biggest key to your success in trading. Hear me out. We all know that we're going to take losses, right? But it's really weird when we take a trade and when it's a loss, we hold on and we hope and hope and hope. The biggest key to your success is the ability to cut your losses short. That means get out early. So, for example, I remember a while ago, I took five trades, and every single one of those trades was a loser. I was trading in the money options, and what was happening was, I had like a 5% loss. It was a small loss because I only went sideways. I got out really quickly. A 20% loss, a 10% loss, a 5% loss, a 15% loss, stuff like that, right? Between 5 and sort of 15% most of the time, and up to 20%. Anyway, that whole thing, those 5 trades, because I cut my losses short, those 5 trades that I took, I remember I took some time off, came back, I had 5 trades in a row, right? 5 trades in a row, and I took those. So I took 5 trades, but out of my percentage, and I was trading around 5% of my account at that time, out of that, my total loss as a percentage term, if I calculated all those percentages together, was around 60%. With me so far, I had a 5%, so if I calculated all those percentages up, it's about 60%, right? Which is around about 2.5% loss on my account, around about 5% of my account. So here's what happened, guys. The very next trade I got onto, bam, took off and just ran. It's absolutely just ran. And I got out of that about an 80% profit. I was about break even on that one. I'm about to break even now on my account because including brokerage. The very next trade I took was a 60% profit, and now I'm in profit. So that's the way you want to set up your trades, right? That's the way you want to set up your account so you can take 1 win and 5 losses and still be moving forward. That's how winning is done, right? That's how trading is done. And even just recently, I'm trading. Yesterday, there was nothing happening. This morning, I'll do a bit of market update later. But this morning, things are moving, right? Things are absolutely just moving and moving and moving. So, this morning I got out of a trade. Now I'm trading out of the money options too, like probably 2 or 3 out of the money options. I'm only trading a small percent of my account. And I'm trading out of money options, and I've looked at my last 4 trades, and every single one of those have been losers. Now, I'm about to get out of a trade. Now, all those losers, again, they're out of the money options. I traded a small percent of my account, not 5%, much smaller, about 2 or 3% per trade. And, one was a 20% loss, one was a 30% loss, the other one was a 60% loss. So all of those totaled to around about a 200% loss. Now, 200% loss sounds like a lot, right? But if I'm trading 2% of my account, or if I'm trading 2% of my account on all those trades, that 200% loss is 4% down. Now, you might think, John, that's a lot. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. But hear me out. I'm about to get out of a trade right now because they're out of the money. When they run, right? So I've had 4 losses in a row. I cut a short. And I'm about to get out of a trade. Actually tomorrow morning, and right now I just didn't get time because the market closed. I was getting into all these other trades, but I'm about to get out of trade right now. It's around about a 400% profit. 1 trade. So it's just, so you know what I'm saying there, guys? So it's about 400% profit. So remember, I'm down about 200% in total which is around about 4% of my account, around about roughly 2% of my position on every single one of those trades. 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 trades, 200% down. And then this trade I'm about to get out. So I am right 1 out of 5 and I'm still making money. Now, that's not always the case. I'm roughly 70% right overall, but sometimes I'm going to go through phases like this where I might just pick up some shit trades, you know what I mean? Or I might not be trading the right trades, or I might be, not in the right mind frame. But this is how you move forward in a big way in the markets, right? And you just keep doing that, bam, 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 bam. So, and so some of the most successful traders are only 30% right. You read the Market Wizards books and the Money Masters from Tony Robbins. That's what it's all about, right? So I wanted to give you guys this tip. I wanted to give you guys share some things that I'm doing behind the scenes. Once again, guys, I'm behind the scenes every day. I'm trading this morning. I got out of one trade this morning, which was a loss, 25% loss. Now that's not a lot because I'm trading way out of the money options. It's a high return, high risk. Again, when the market runs, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong between 25 and 50%. That's what I know I'm roughly risking per trade if I'm wrong. But again, I'm getting out really quick, really quick, right? But when I'm right, they run on 300, 400, 500%, right? It's pretty easy to actually do that. Even 100, 200% is quite easy when you're trading 3 or 4 out of the money options. So, and sometimes anyway, it just depends on the strike rates and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys understand this. I just want to give you guys a bit of a look behind the scenes of what is actually happening in my trading and what I keep doing to myself to keep moving myself forward. I'm not about getting every trade right. But when I see the trade not working, and I'm not going to hold on and hope and pray. No, I'm going to get out as quickly as possible and then move on to the next trade and move on to something that is working. And I'm so happy I did. I got out of one this morning. I'm about to get out a really good profit tomorrow, and I'm into 4 really amazing trading setups. And so even if I'm 50-50 right with those 4 setups, 2 wrong, just say 50% loss each. Say it's call it 100%, and these 2 right, call it 100% profit each. Do you know what I mean? It's like that's how you get ahead, right? You have your system, you get in, you get out, you cut your losses short really quickly, and that is the foundation to any successful trading system. Is your ability to get out fast and your ability to let your profits run. So even if you're right, 1 out of, say, mine was like 5 losses. Remember I said before a while ago, 5 losses in a row. Not just recently, but a while ago, I had 5 losses in a row and 1 win, and my count was at break even. Right? That's what you want to be able to set it up like that. So anyway, guys, have an amazing day. I'll do a bit of market update, look at the charts, but this is one of the biggest keys, the biggest key to your successful trading career.